and I'm planning on using my BlendJet to make myself a little protein shake after I work out. Home hit, this one. That is so good. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Wednesday and it's, what time is it? It's about 1 o'clock. I have had one class today. I just got done with it like a half hour ago and then did some assignments. Now it's time for me to work out, but I figured this could be a fun little video to show you guys just kind of what I do to work out, that kind of thing. So before I do, I need to go get protein powder from Micah because I actually don't have my own and I'm planning on using my BlendJet to make myself a little protein shake after I work out. So I need to just go get that real quick before I work out, and then I'll be back. I will change into my workout clothes and we'll get started. So I hope you guys are excited. If you are, don't forget to subscribe to BlendJet and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot, and yeah, let's get started. Just got the protein powder. It's this huge thing and there's literally like 1 scoop left, but that's okay. That's all I need. So now I'm going to change. Wow, it is so dark in my room, especially when it's rainy outside like today. But normally I will just wear a sports bra and some shorts. I'm gonna do these little workout shorts I have, my sports bra, and then for the sake of this video, I will put on a t-shirt. I'm so sorry for how dark it is. Maybe I'll turn on a light. Oh, so much better. Okay. Wow, it literally looks like it's nighttime with all these lights on. Time to change. So normally my workouts, like my workout schedule will be Mondays I will do an ab workout, Tuesdays I will do a butt workout, Wednesdays I will do a full body workout, or if I'm really sore from the past 2 days, I just won't do anything. Thursdays I will do legs, and then Fridays I do arms, and I don't do anything on the weekends. Like I said, today's Wednesday and I don't feel sore really from my workout yesterday, and I did not work out on Monday. So today I'm going to do a full body workout and I use this app. The app is called Workout Women and it looks like that. There's always a daily 7. I always do the daily 7 no matter what it is, no matter what day it is, and then I will do whatever workout I'm supposed to do for the day. So today I will do the daily 7 and then I need a full body workout. So what do I want to do? There's a high intensity section, which is just like HIIT workouts, and HIIT workouts are my favorite. And I actually don't think I've done one from this app yet, even though I've had it forever. So I think I will do home HIIT, this one, and then also the daily 7 today. I'm not super strict about my workout regimen. If I don't work out one day, I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. I like to work out, and I know that it's really good for you. So that's why I work out. I'm really excited because I've never done this HIIT workout before, but I will film a little bit of the daily 7 and I'll film a little bit of the HIIT workout. So it's called daily 7 because each of them are 7 minutes. So it's kind of like my warm-up that I do, and then the HIIT workout that I chose is 15 minutes. So I'll be doing like a 22-minute workout today. And that's normally how long my workouts are anyway, because I got stuff to do and I'm also lazy and I don't have very good like stamina or endurance. So this is where I do my workouts. I'm not sure if the music from the app will get copyrighted, so cue the montage. Okay, oh my gosh, I look crazy after just 7 minutes, but now that we're done with the daily 7, which was just a little warm-up, although that one was honestly a little more vigorous than the others I've done. And now I'm going to do this home HIIT one. It's 15 minutes, intermediate level. Let's begin. That said that you would burn 78 calories. I burned 132. 133 actually. I'm so out of breath. Done working out. I worked out actually for 28 minutes. In total, I've burned 172 calories because I forgot about the daily 7. So, cool. I'm definitely sweating, so water to replenish my body. I should have a protein shake. I'm actually really excited. The protein powder that Micah gave me is chocolate. I'm going to be using the BlendJet recipe book for my smoothie, and I've actually already chosen because I got excited. I'm going to be making the chocolate peanut butter protein shake. I think you guys will soon realize that I am a chocolate fiend. The ingredients are a cup of milk, frozen sliced banana, chocolate protein powder, which I have, peanut butter, cocoa powder, and maple syrup or sweetener of choice. I think I'm going to maybe not put the sweetener and just see how it tastes, and then if I think it needs to be sweet, I'll just add some, but that's literally it. The total time is less than 5 minutes. I'm still so out of breath. First, I got out my milk, my frozen bananas, my protein powder, peanut butter, cocoa powder, maple syrup, and of course, my BlendJet. That is so good. This protein shake is so good. I ended up adding the sweetener. I added some syrup. It was only 1 tablespoon and it made such a difference. That is amazing. I already feel stronger. Well, I feel really good about myself and about my day now that I have worked out and now that I'm boosting my body a little bit. I don't have much going on the rest of the day. I do need to shower because I sweat a lot just now, and I definitely need to wash my hair. I don't know if you can tell. You probably can, but it needs to be washed. So I'm gonna do that today, and I'm actually done with classes for the day, so probably just be doing homework, editing, same old, same old. I just love how easy things are with the BlendJet. It just, like, this took literally like not even 5 minutes. Every time I use it, I'm just in awe. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. I feel more energized and ready to tackle my day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to both BlendJet and to my channel, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my protein shake and get on with my day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So, focus. Fun. Yes, I'm ready.